Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add money to Wise account. So let's get started. I suggest that you use the link in the description below so that you would be able to create a free Wise account with additional benefits. So here we are in wise.com, and from here you can see your balances right here, or currencies. And from here you can actually select a currency that you would want to add money from. So you can do it this way. For example, in AUD, you can click here on add, and then from here you can add money to your AUD currency right here, or balance. But in this tutorial, we'll just be using this function right here. So click on add money button, and then from here you can just choose the currency that you would want to add money in. So let's say you can see your balances right here, and the other currencies right here are the currencies that you haven't added to your account. So let's say I'm just gonna go for Australian dollar, and I'm gonna go choose a payment method after providing the amount right here. So payment method, and let's say debit card, and then you can see the fees right here that you would need to pay on top of your added balance right here. So let's click on continue to proceed, and from here it would go through verification. So it would ask you your source of funds right here. So in my case it's salary, and also if your Wise account is not yet verified, it would ask for more information like your government ID. So it might ask that, so you can prepare that when you are depositing your money here in Wise. So just take note of that, and then from there you want to click here on continue, and then the next thing is we will now be proceeding to the payment. And then from here, as you can see, it says it would arrive in seconds, so it will arrive instantaneously. And then provide your card number right here, expiration date, the security code, and click on pay button once you are done and ready to pay. And after that, it should now be deposited into your Wise account, just easy as that. So that is basically it on how you can add money here in your Wise account. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.